In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change numbering in Canva. Whether you're crafting a professional presentation, designing a digital document, or simply creating something for personal use, getting the numbering right can make your project look polished and easy to follow. So, let's make sure everything's aligned and visually pleasing, so you can focus on what matters most, your creativity. First things first, go ahead and open Canva and navigate to the project you want to work on. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is straightforward and free. Once you've opened your project, let's locate the area where you want to change the numbering. It could be in text boxes, in the form of a list, or any place where numerical order is crucial. Ensuring you're on the right page is the first step to a smooth editing experience. Once you're in the thick of your document, select the text box or list item that currently contains the numbers. This is crucial because you'll want the changes you make to reflect in the right spot. Now, take a peek at the top toolbar. That's your toolkit for editing text. Here, you should see a button labeled Numbering or an icon resembling a numbered list. This is your gateway to adjusting how your numbers appear. Click on it. Now that you've selected the numbering tool, you're presented with some options. You can alter the numbering style by clicking through the available choices. You might see standard numbers, Roman numerals, or even letters. Whatever suits your design, go ahead and select it. Enjoy experimenting until you find the style that perfectly complements your project. Customization doesn't stop here. You can also adjust the size and font of your numbers by using the text size and font selection tools found on the same toolbar. This is particularly helpful if you want the numbers to stand out or blend seamlessly with your existing design. If at any moment you feel like reversing the changes or trying a different look, don't worry. Canva's Undo button is your best friend. It's handy for testing out styles without committing permanently. Simply click the undo arrow to revert any accidental changes. What's great about Canva is that it lets you explore and experiment without any risk. Once you're satisfied with how the numbers look, it's wise to take one final glance at your entire project. Make sure everything aligns and that the numbering adds rather than distracts from your design. When you're happy with everything, remember to save your work. You can do this by hitting the download button, available at the top right corner. Choose your preferred format and save it to your device. And there you have it. Changing numbering in Canva is not only a breeze, but also an opportunity to enhance the entire aesthetic of your document or presentation. Explore, have fun, and don't forget to let your designs reflect your personal style. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Canva creations.